Alright guys, welcome back to another video of BT Willa's Garage. Today we are going to be greasing the 5 grease points in a John Deere ZTRAK 757 mower. So what we've got to do first is find ourselves a grease gun. I got this one off Amazon. It's a small one that you can work one-handed. It takes a small bottle of grease. I got Super Lube. I think it was fairly inexpensive, maybe $20 altogether, and it's gonna get the job done. But be aware, if you haven't greased your lawnmower in a while, you're probably gonna use that whole bottle, so might as well keep a few bottles on the workbench. All right, step 1, clean your Zerk fittings. So this is what a Zerk fitting looks like. As you can see on the top, there's a small little ball. What we have on the end of our grease gun is a fitting that pushes that ball in, allows grease to go into that little chamber there, as well as keeps grease from coming out since the ball's decompressed due to that fitting. So let's get to the grease points. Go ahead and remove your access cover to the mowing deck. So you've got one here on this spindle, one here on this spindle, one over here, one here, and one here. You see mine are full of grease because I just did the job. Please be sure to clean the top of those Zerk fittings before you pump grease in there. The last thing you want is a piece of dirt in that fitting because it will keep that ball decompressed, grease will come out, it will not do its job, and you'll have to replace the fitting itself. The Zerk fitting itself, that is. So the way to know when you're done, and it may take 10 pumps, it may take 15, it may take 5, could take more. Whenever you're pumping, you're gonna start hearing grease kind of slime out. It's gonna make like a slimy noise. So keep pumping it until you see it coming out, and you can see that. Try to get a good angle. And that's when you know that it's packed full of grease. So go ahead and subscribe if you have one of these mowers. I'm gonna continue to do videos for maintenance. Please check the PTO belt replacement that I did. And right now I'm getting a new valve stem put on a tire by Colonial Tire and Auto in Durham. Good client of mine. Check them out if you're in North Carolina. But for the next video, we're gonna do this fuel filter. It's pretty self-explanatory. We'll probably also go ahead and do the air filter as well. You guys have a good day. Check out my other videos for oil changes and belt replacements on this particular model. And again, please subscribe. I've got some other content of this car going down the road, 4-wheeler content, firearm content, you name it, fun stuff. Subscribe. Thank you.